Humidity reading here is off the charts.
Scan the ventral area again, near the clamp.
I've got an anomaly here.
Reading confirms it's stable.
All right, proceed to cleaning.
Cleaning authorized. You may begin.
Looks good. Approved for flattening.
Yes, it's approved. Let's start applying the solution. Engaging tension assist now. Keep adjusting the corners.
Holding steady on this side. Mark this at 22 millimeters.
Validated.
Validated. Checking the center now.
Looks good. Proceed.
The pattern consistency is perfect on this side. Agreed, the whole batch is approved.
Data confirms the storage conditions are optimal. Agreed. Submit the audit, then schedule the cleanup for that scuff. Station clear?
Yes, just finishing the wipe down.
Final check complete. Everything looks correct.
Great, signing off now.